Hey guys, with everyone being stuck at home, I knew that one of the funnest things I could do for this feed is to just do a ton of sewing tutorials. So it's taken me a second to kind of get organized, but I'm finally there and I've started putting together just simple and easy blocks that you can do with your scraps. I will show you guys my scrap pile. That's my scrap pile. And I pulled directly from it. I didn't pull any fabric from my big bolts. I only used scraps to see if I could just put together some really easy blocks that would be fun for you to do with kids or without kids, just for the fun of it. So some of these blocks you'll know. In fact, maybe most of them you'll know. But if you are a beginning quilter, someone who loves fabric and wants to get into quilting, my hope is that you can fall in love with it with the simplest of scraps and easy blocks to make. So I've got you guys kind of looking down so that you can see what I'm doing here because I thought it would be really, really helpful. So today I'm going to show you a flying geese block. And this is super easy. So all it is a 3.5 by 6.5 inch I was gonna say square, that's a rectangle, isn't it? And two 3.5 by 3.5 inch squares. And these I have, let's see if you guys can see this, you probably can't very well. I have a pencil line and all I did was take my ruler and put it on the diagonal and used a pencil and just created a line so that I could put together this flying geese block. So all I'm going to do is lay it right here. So can you see that? And I'm going to sew directly on that pencil line. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you can trim off just a 1/4 inch off the top, and you're just using that that sewing line, so that stitched line, to make that line. So let's see if you guys can see that very well. There you go. And throw away the extra, open it up, and you can see that it just completes that rectangle, and go ahead and press it flat before you do the other side. I have it in my head I'm going to do an Easter table runner like this. Can you guys see that? And then we're going to take the other side and let's see if you guys can see that. I'm just going to sew right on the pencil line, but you're going to want to make sure you open it up because it won't be quite the same if you don't do that. So open it up, press it, and then come in and sew right on that pencil line. Okay, same deal here. You're going to trim off a 1/4 inch seam allowance, just like that, and open it up. And I'm gonna go ahead and press it. I'm pressing mine in today. I like the bulk to be in. I've seen people actually sew or iron this one, press this one open just to help with the bulk. So you can do that if you want. And you get this lovely triangle. So one thing you can see is at the very top, you can see there's some extra seam allowance. That should be exactly 1/4 inch. So that way when you sew several of these triangles together and they're stacked one upon another, you get that nice clean point. So I've been thinking about doing a table runner like this. So I might do that on another video. But if you've never made a flying geese block before, isn't that gorgeous? So I hope you have a chance to make one of these and do it with a kid if you wanted. I keep meaning to sit down with my kids and quilt a little bit. Felicity has been asking specifically for making scrunchies, so we might be making scrunchies. All right, guys. make sure and subscribe to the channel. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that I'm going to send a PDF with all of these blocks to my Fabric VIP group. So if you want to be part of that, all you have to do is click on my profile and click on exclusive VIP and join the Fabric VIP group, or you can go to carinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP. All right, see you guys.